Hello everyone, আজি আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি সোলাৰ সিস্টেমৰ কোৱেশ্চন কেইটামান লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ। প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল হু ডিস্কভাৰ্ড দ্য সোলাৰ সিস্টেম? তো ইয়াৰ এনসাৰ Copernicus. Copernicus was a Polish astronomer who put forth the theory that the sun is at rest near the center of the universe and that the earth spinning on its axis once daily revolve annually around the sun. This is called the heliocentric system. Copernicus was born on 1473 in Thorn, Poland. Next question. Where among these places sun will rise the earliest? The answer is Tokyo. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. It is called by this name because the sun rises first in Japan and then in any other part of the world. Next question. Which of the following is the nearest star to the sun? The answer Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the sun, about 4.2 light years away in the Alpha Centauri system. The star was discovered in 1915 by the Scottish astronomer Robert Innes. Next question. Which planet has the largest number of satellites? That is the answer by Saturn. Total 146. Next question. Ursa Major is a name of the Ursa Major ki hono? Constellation means a group of stars. Ursa Major is a constellation or a group of stars that appear in the northern night sky. Its name means Great Bear. For thousands of years, various people on Earth have thought that these stars form the shape of a bear. Next question. Which planet is the hottest planet in our solar system? Goram Graha to Hegel. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun but is still hotter than Mercury. This is because the atmosphere is very thick and is made up of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. It also has traces of nitrogen and the clouds on Venus are made up of sulfuric acid. Next question. What is the primary composite of Jupiter's atmosphere? The Jupiter atmosphere is hydrogen and helium. Jupiter atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, similar to the sun. These gases made up about 99% of its atmosphere. Next question. Which of the following planet has a reddish appearance? The answer is Mars. Mars, often called the red planet, is named for its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide on its surface. Next question. All the planets move around the sun is an answer elliptical path. Elliptical orbit gives communication satellite an advantage in that they are visible to a ground station for a longer period of time and are out of contact for a short period of time. Next. What is the gap between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter called? Asteroids. An asteroid is a small rocky object which is relatively smaller than a planet. Asteroids have variable shape and orbit the sun just like other planets. Next question. Which planet is also known as winter planet? Our answer Jupiter. It is also known as winter planet as its average temperature is very low. Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. Which of the following dwarf planets lie in the main asteroid belt? It is Ceres. Ceres is the asteroid belt only dwarf planet. Next question. What is the time taken by the light of the sun to reach the earth? Kiman samoy loy? 8 minutes 20 seconds. It takes that light from the sun an average of 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. Next, identify the planet whose length of the days and tilt of its axis are almost identical to those of the earth. The Q answer. Your answer about Mars. That the length of the day and on Mars and the tilt of its axis are nearly identical to those on Earth. What do you mean by black hole in our solar system? Answer give option C. Contracted star with intense gravitational pull. A black hole is a cosmic body of extreme intense gravity from which even light cannot escape. Black holes usually cannot be observed directly, but they can be observed by the effect of their enormous gravitational field on nearby matter. The A question answer আপোনালোকে দিব Which of the following planet of the solar system has the longest day? Mercury, Jupiter, Venus নে Earth? ধন্যবাদ।